Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials: a valid email or phone number, the Mobile Legends app installed, and a secure password. Open the game, tap to create or link an account, and choose email or social login. Once you select email, enter it and your password, then confirm with the verification code if prompted. Make sure to choose a recovery method now so you won't lose access later. Once done with registration, verify the account using the code sent to your email or phone. You must complete this to unlock full features. After verification, link a secondary login like Google, Apple, or Facebook to simplify future access and password recovery. Next, set your in-game nickname and review profile settings. These steps prevent name conflicts and make it easier should you need support. Make sure to save credentials in a password manager for safety. You finish by reviewing security. Enable two-step verification if the platform supports it, and confirm linked accounts are active. Log out and log back in to test the connection so you know recovery works. Once satisfied, secure any transaction receipts and in-game purchase records. If something goes wrong, try clearing app cache, reinstalling, and then contact Moonton support with your account ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.